Oh yeah, but oh yeah. Wow. Here we are, back at Powerton. A man-made power plant lake that can produce some giant blue catfish. It takes a lot of work, a lot of walking, but sometimes it pays off. He's not on there. He put the hook in him, dude. Let's do it.
I ain't got my grips though, but Jake has a sling.
A sling? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's catching big old fish, huh? Hey, here we go. The old Powerton special. I got a big old Red Bull today. Or a Nas. Okay, which other one? The green one? Bigger? Alright, what other rod? This one?
Your two and, yeah, your two.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, my two, I only got one that I brought.
Yeah.
Oh, so this one and that one?
Yeah.
Alright, get a big bait. Oh my god, that's on there, dude. Alright. That's your big bait? Let's throw the whole thing out there. I bet you they're gonna eat today. Do you want to hook deep or no? Alright. Double hook rig? Double hook rig. Lethal when they're short biting for sure. Just going to. Alright, now we are going to get these rods out and wait on some big blue cats. It's freezing cold water. I think it's like 38 degrees. But you know what? I think we're gonna catch them today. We have very good conditions. It is overcast and there's a cold front coming tomorrow, so plant's obviously off. See what happens. Oh yeah, but oh yeah. Wow. That is the coolest thing in the entire world, dude. Is that top speed? That's alright, it's faster than a balloon. Bye, bait. Oh, those are awesome, dude. That rod just got hit. Maybe you're going over the line. It is the coolest shit I've ever seen, dude. Yep. First fish, 5 seconds. I don't think he's actually that bad. I think he's like a 10. I got him. Deal with that. I got him. Yeah. He's not a monster or nothing. I don't know. I don't know how big he is. We didn't see him, did we? Is he?
I can't tell.
Oh, okay.
I can't believe he is biting that good then.
Dude. Oh, he's not that bad. He's like, yeah. Oh, he ain't bad at all, dude. Oh, he's a good one, dude.
Dark.
Yeah, he's super dark. Come here. Dude. That's not a bad one, man. I think our hands are gonna be tore up today. I know. Oh, they're active today, dude. Oh, look how long this fish is, dude. Look how long he is.
It's a good fish.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude. 5 minutes, boy. Here we go. First fish. I would say, I don't know. I don't care. Good one, though. Beautiful. Look how long he is, man. He's freaking built like a tank, dude. That was awesome. Thank you so much for being an awesome fish. And this is how you make these fish giants. Right here. See you later, buddy. Yeah, I love when she calls. Yeah. No, he's on there. Like 75 yards of slack in there, dude. Where the hell is he?
He ain't coming up. Oh. Fun size. Yeah, hold the rod.
Five times bigger than that one.
You got that line around your foot?
Nice and. That's one. All I know is he hit it hard, dude.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, buddy, watch out.
I'm just gonna hang out. There it goes. Let's do it again.
One's on there. If he's not on there, he put the hook in him, dude. Oh my God. The boat wins again.
Green rod's getting knocked.
Which one?
Green. See it?
Yep. Unless he's in it.
Might be.
I don't think you are, though.
Feels funny.
Right.
It don't matter, dude.
It feels funny.
Get your fish in. He's your biggest one, I think, this year.
That's a nice one.
He is.
He's a nice one.
Yeah, he's a good fish. It's just spunky.
Yeah, dude.
That's a nice one.
That looks like a good fish to me.
Here you go, Jake.
Dude, he's a whale.
Not bad fish.
I'll tell you what, he ate it good.
Like it. Take a picture with him real quick.
Oh, you gonna take a picture?
Yeah, I'll take
No
picture
way.
of this one.
Look at you.
Look on my thumb. Not bad.
That's a good fish, dude.
Fat.
I like him.
Real fat.
See, I'll just slide this camera up on him.
And just touch it with.
What he is.
Just hold on it.
Oh, hold it.
Yep.
Took 4 minutes to get that fish in. What do you think, 30?
Yeah, maybe. Just straighten that tail out.
Yeah, I can't believe you took a picture. This is the first time I've ever seen you take a picture with a fish in my life.
That's because I'm desperate.
I've seen
Usually if they ain't above 40, I don't take a picture.
I've seen you let go
There you
45
go.
before, I'm pretty sure. Right at the route.
But
You gonna put
I'll
new
take
bait?
him today.
You gonna put new bait?
Not a bad trip, guys. To be completely honest, without that boat that pulled our baits all the way across the lake, we wouldn't have caught no fish today. That boat really helped us out. We got 3 fish. Not going home skunk today, and in my eyes, that's a good trip. No giants, like I said. Once in a while, you'll hook a monster here, but plant's not pumping. It makes for tough conditions. With a shad kill, I believe. It made it tough. Bite was slow. But nonetheless, we got out here and we tried, and we pulled it off. We caught a few fish, so it takes a lot of work sometimes, but sometimes it's totally worth it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you like these videos. Hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified when I put out new videos. And I'll see you on the next video.